Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm just gonna be replacing the little hatch. I don't know what you call these, but they're the little like hatch bump stops or whatever they are. The rubber portion is pretty degraded and cracked up. So I ended up ordering a couple of new ones. The part number was kind of hard to find, but it is 987-512-987-01. I was able to get these from Pelican Parts. So this is all they are. It just looks like this. They do appear to have some sort of orientation. It's not perfectly circular. As you can see, there's a flat side right here. The flat side goes towards the inside of the car, facing towards the motor. The same goes for the other side. And then there's some tabs that I think you have to push in order to release them from the hatch. And then these rubber stops, they're on a threaded rod that just kind of screws in for adjustment. But yeah, so let's go ahead and pop these old ones out, pop the new ones in. Got myself a small flathead screwdriver to press in the tabs with a little bit of masking tape on it so I don't scratch anything up. You can kind of see the tabs, maybe, right there. So I'm hoping I could just pry that out or pop those tabs in and then the mount should pop out. Stick my flathead in here and kind of just pull down on it. There you go. So that's one corner and there's 3 tabs. Okay, that's 2. Okay. So yeah, you just depress those little tabs and then pull, and then you should be able to pop them out. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the new one to a similar length, so you can see the new one has to be adjusted a little bit. They're kind of hard to turn, but yeah, I'm just gonna spin it, and then I should be able to adjust it. Looks pretty close, so let's go ahead and just pop the new one in. You can see there's some little tabs over here and over here. Maybe you can't tell, but those line up with the little tabs on here. So it's pretty hard to mess this up. But yeah, so this should just snap right in, just like this. Cool, and that's it. Okay, let's go ahead and work on the other side. Okay, so same thing. Just gonna take my little screwdriver and depress the tabs while simultaneously pulling. Okay, so this one's out. It's not as bad, but it's definitely still also cracked. You can tell here. So again, this is my old one, this is my new one. Just adjust them so they're similar length. So got them about the same length, so just line up your tabs and then pop her into place. Just like so. Go ahead and try closing your hatch. If you adjusted the stoppers to the length of your old ones, it should close just fine. The center latch should engage and the hatch should be in line with the rest of the body panels. If necessary, make additional adjustments by threading the stoppers in or out. So yeah, looks good, it closes just fine. Everything looks pretty in line, so that's it. Super easy to do. Probably, depending on how bad they are, probably not even worth doing. Didn't really seem to affect the alignment too much, as long as you get it adjusted to where your old ones were. Really shouldn't take too much fine tuning. I don't think it makes a big difference, but anyways, that's it. Super simple, super easy. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.